Good morning, friends. Welcome to Learning Techniques, and let's start with our topic on Logical Volume Manager, also known as LVM. It's very important utility because it helps us with extending the storage on the fly or extending the file system on the fly. So let's start with this. So first, in initial setup, we have a disk named SDB, newly added disk. Let's create a partition over there. I can choose a list of options from menu. You have to press M for it. Though I know that N is a command for creating a new partition, so just start with N. The partition will be of the type primary, and the partition number will be 1. First cylinder will be by default, and let's create 52 MBs. Okay, let's create one more partition over here. Primary partition, partition number 2. Default is the ninth cylinder, and the ending partition should be of the size 100 MB more. Okay. Okay, somewhere we started from the wrong partition, no worries. I can see it contains two partitions. Let's delete the second partition and recreate it again. Okay, now we have only one partition only. Let's get a new partition using N, primary partition, partition number 2. Default is 9, and now the size come in picture, that is 100 M. I'll tell you later why I am creating two partitions over here. Now change the type of the disk. For the partition 1, type will be 8E, that is of the type LVM. You can see it here. Now again for partition number 2, it's again 8E, that is for LVM. Now save it. Now let's update the kernel partition table using partix command. Now disk as well as kernel both are aware that we have up two partitions of disk SDB. You can see this is DB1 and SDB2. Now proceed with creating a logical volume, but let's first go ahead with the first building blocks, that is physical volume. So let's create a command pv create. You can give name of both the partitions separately, or you can give it a single command. Both PVs are successfully created. We can check it using a PVS command. We can see the PV are not part of any volume groups. Either we can make them the part of VG underscore client file, or we can create a new volume group for it. Let's create a new volume group. It's VG create new VG, and let's include first disk here only. So my volume group have a new. If I run a PVS, it will show me that my SDB1 is a part of the volume group new VG. Also, I can run a VGS command that will tell me that new VG is contained of 1 PV and having approximate size of 60 MB. Okay. Now let's proceed with creating a logical volume. The command is lv create. Then I give capital L. It will symbolize me of the size, how much size I want to give. For example, I want to give like 50 MBs, 50 M hyphen N. That will be the name of the logical volume. Let's name it as new LV, and the volume group pool from where we have to provide this. We have to create this new LV, that is new VG. Okay. If I perform LVS command, it will show me that my new LV is created of size approximately 52 MB. It is approximated because the minimum PE size is of 4 MB. So whatever multiple will be created, it will be in the multiple of 4 MBs only. Okay. Now create a file system over it. Let's format it with a ext4 file system. That is div VG name, that is our new VG, and the LV name, that is new LV. It's formatted. Good. Now let's mount it. Mount div VG name is our new VG, LV name is our new LV, and that is on MNT. Now if I see the status of MNT, it's mounted and it contains an approximate size of like 50 MBs, or you can say precisely 47 MBs. Somehow we are just putting data in this MNT or some other files which have occupied this size and make this usage percentage 100% or something around more than 90%, and you want to extend the file system and the logical volume. So it is possible in LVM, but for that you need to have enough storage in your volume group. Let's check how much space we are left within our volume group. That is only 8 MBs free. So now it's time to bring back our second disk or second physical volume inside this volume group. Now we are not creating any volume groups, so proceed with the command vg extend, then the vg name, that is our new vg, and the pv which we want to include here, that is div stb2. New volume group is successfully created. Now let's see how much space we are left within our volume group. We have like 116 MB space. Okay, let's extend this volume group logical volume size by 100 MBs more. So the command will be not lv create, it's lv extend here. Lv extend hyphen capital L. Let's increase by 100 MBs more. Then the name of your logical, the complete path of your logical volume. You can also use you can use div vg name, that is new vg and new lv, or you can proceed with the div mapper nomenclature as well, that is new vg hyphen new lv. Both will do the same work. Okay, my logical volume is extended. If I see LVS, it will show me now new logical volume is of 152 MBs. Let's see the mount point status. So my mount point MNT, the file system is still showing 47 MBs. In order to update this file system online, we have a utility like resize 2fs, and we have to give just a full path, that is div mapper new vg new lv. It will update the file system on the fly. Now we can see this our MNT is online, and the size is also updated. That's all for now. Thank you very much.